Greetings, how to properly format a script using Google Docs add-on Screenplay Formatter. Have fun. Make sure you're telling a story. Let your brain do the work. Write first, format later. Your first up, interior or exterior, location, time of day. That's your slug line. Scene description should always be what the camera is seeing. What is the action? Be visual. Your speaker, self-explanatory. Dialogue, be crisp, add some conflict, make it interesting. And then you're back to your slug line or your header. After you've written, then you go back and you reformat. Here's how you do it. Highlight the script or the text that you've typed. Click the button. It automatically reformats it and places it where it needs to be. For speaker, as you can see, it turns it to all caps and properly places it. Do that for the four main things: your header or slug line, your action, your speaker, and your dialogue, over and over and over again till you have a script. Happy holidays!